𝗖𝗵𝗶𝗀
First, we're going to make a solid glow clip like this. Then continue with a simple composition or a glow outline effect like this. And a circle transition like this. And lastly, the transition. Without wasting time, let's get into the first step. Add the background as the main layer first, then add the overlay for the green screen animation like this. After that, remove the background using chroma key. The settings are up to you as long as the green background disappears. Then adjust the settings like I did. After that, add any background that matches the vibe you want. Then go to Slice and choose Darken. And finally, export it. Now let's continue with the outline glow. Use the previous project, then slightly change or remove some parts of it like I did here. Duplicate the overlay and adjust it into a dark black tone with the same settings as mine. Then place the overlay above the white overlay so it becomes visible. After that, add the Glow 2 effect with 2 layers and use these settings. Add a color overlay, then go to Slice and choose Overlay. And finally, export it. For the circle transition or the circle shape movement, I made it in a light motion. You guys can use this preset of mine and just change the circle shape color to match or edit. Now let's move on straight to the final part. Now for the final step, add everything into the overlay that we prepared earlier. Then we just need to play around with the keyframes. Like this, follow what I'm doing and watch till the end.
孩子，
一三一，
孩子。